Welcome back to the channel. So this high coat exhaust paint's always saying no up to the job. As you can see, it's just coming straight off just on the front pipe, but there'll be the heat that gets to. So this is 300 degrees I think, so time to splash out, get the real deal PJ1. There you go, 1200 degrees. That'll stay on that pipe. So I'll give that a quick rub and a wee quick spray up, okay? Look at that, just coming clean off. Alright, I'll give this a quick rub down and come back to you, alright? So that's took just a couple of minutes and it just seems to be the top of it. So it's holding down the bottom here. So let's give all this a wipe down. And quick blast with the spray can. Job done. I think that'll do it. In the field fix, or rather in the garage fix. Right, we'll let that dry in, then we'll fire up and run it up a bit. Give it a bit of a bake, okay? What an amazing day to get out and not be cold. That pipe's dried okay, don't smell the paint now. Pipe really needs a wash, doesn't it? Look at the state of it. Thing is, you wash it and it's filthy 2 days later. fill up. Back shortly. Reset, ready to go. What's in it? That single, lovely. Right, down to Dunbar. And we'll catch up with Bob. That'll be the next film. Potholes and pheasants, eh? See all the flooding now though. Been a lot of rain. Excellent. Right, that's just a quick film. Just because summer temperatures or proper spring temperatures are here, finally. Oh, it's so good to get some heat. Well, it's not heat, it's normal. But it feels like heat. Summer gloves, one jacket on. Ah, cool. A pipe that's hopefully going to stay black. We'll see how it gets on. If that keeps burning off, I will just exhaust wrap it. I've still got some, but I don't like this stuff. Anyway, a wee film, and then just let this fan past. get down to see Bob. Okay, can't quite see Tantala in here, but we'll go back and maybe zoom it a bit. That's better. Get out my picture. Right. Okay, thanks for watching, and next time we'll be meeting up with Bob down in Dunbar, and that'll be today's ride, but you won't see that for another week. Alright, thanks again watching, all the comments in the last few weeks. Man, it's been hard with this weather, hasn't it? Oh, rain, rain, rain. This is the driest county in Scotland, and look, it's just dry. Anyway, we're not moaning. There's enough moaning motorcycle channels on about the end of the world and net zero and all that bollocks. That's all it is. Okay, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye for now.